Hi, welcome to my channel. Today's video about DOGECOIN. DOGECOIN, Doge, is a mineable coin that is as of now exchanged at $0.085298 per unit with a market capitalization of $11,316,549,165 that makes it a mid-position digital money. Yesterday, on May 17, the cost of DOGECOIN remained at $0.087841 at the end of the day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 4.59% distinction when contrasted with the ongoing value. A week prior, on May 11, the DOGECOIN market remained at $0.108477 as the aftereffect of the endeavors of all market members. As the outcome, the cost moved by 0% corresponding to its current standing. A month prior, on April 18, DOGECOIN was evaluated at $0.139467, which concurred with our cost expectation for that specific period. Contrasted with the current place of DOGECOIN, it addresses a 38.75% cost move. If you're searching for DOGECOIN cost expectations conjecture for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of DOGECOIN, Doge, will go from now on, we will examine the previous costs of DOGECOIN, Doge, and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. These figures ought to yield you some knowledge into the ongoing business sector structure, though our inside and out cost estimate depends on the appearances of CVIX. In any case, to grasp the general capability of DOGECOIN or some other cryptographic money so far as that is concerned, it's essential to consider the cost variances as well as changes in the market capitalization of the said computerized resource. In the event that you know about the financial exchange, you likely realize that market capitalization mirrors the market worth of public portions of a given organization. A similar idea applies to cryptographic money markets. Here, market capitalization addresses the numerical methodology towards deciding the worth of digital currency. For our situation, it's DOGECOIN. In conventional business sectors, market capitalization shows the all-out dollar worth of the organization and permits one to appreciate the connection between the size of the organization that gave the stock, which comprises the significant contrast concerning digital forms of money, as well as the return capability of that specific stock and the extent of related gambles. As per the most recent information assembled, the ongoing cost of DOGECOIN is $0.085 and Doge is presently positioned number in the whole crypto-biological system. The dissemination supply of DOGECOIN is 132,670,764,300 with a market cap of $11,316,549,165. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 5.7% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. DOGECOIN price prediction 2022. As per our profound, specialized examination on past value information of Doge, in 2022 the cost of DOGECOIN is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.097. The Doge cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 12 cents with a typical exchanging cost of 10 cents. Yesterday, on May 17, the market capitalization of DOGECOIN remained at $11,653,943,120. Last week, on May 11, the aggregate sum of capital dedicated to DOGECOIN was laid out at $14,390,789,568. The information from a month prior, enlisted on April 18, shows that DOGECOIN had a market capitalization of $18,503,185,391. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the DOGECOIN market added up to $547,235,135. Yesterday, On May 17, the normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting added up to $606.520 when 740. A week prior, on May 11, the force of DOGECOIN exchanging all through the meeting came to $1,723,066,438. What is the DOGECOIN cost today? Today DOGECOIN, DOGE, is exchanging at $0.085 with a market cap of $11,316,549,165.000. What will be the DOGE most elevated gauge cost for 2022? The DOGE cost is supposed to arrive at a greatest degree of 12 cents toward the finish of 2022. Is DOGECOIN, DOGE, a wise venture? DOGECOIN's worth is supposed to keep on extending, as deficiency will in general empower cost rise. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will effortlessly come to the 47 cents mark. What amount will DOGECOIN be worth in 2030? As far as value, DOGECOIN has an extraordinary potential to arrive at new levels. It is estimated that DOGE will increment in esteem. As per explicit specialists and business examiners, DOGECOIN can hit the greatest cost of $3.53 till 2030. DOGECOIN, DOGE, price forecast May 2022. For May, the cost of DOGECOIN is anticipated to arrive at a typical month-to-month furthest reaches of $0.087, while the coin will exchange between a limit of $0.089 and at least $0.079. DOGE price forecast June 2022. In June 2022, the cost of DOGECOIN is gauged to be at around a base worth of $0.085. The DOGECOIN value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.093, with a typical exchanging worth of $0.088. In United States dollars DOGE price forecast July 2022. In July 2022, the cost of DOGECOIN is gauged to be at around a base worth of $0.087. The DOGECOIN value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.097, with a typical exchanging worth of $0.090 in United States dollars. DOGECOIN price forecast August 2022. The normal cost of DOGECOIN, DOGE, could go to $0.092 toward August's end. DOGE could be exchanging around a most extreme worth of 10 cents, with a base expected cost of $0.089. DOGECOIN price forecast September 2022. The normal cost of DOGECOIN, DOGE, could go to $0.095 toward September's end. DOGE could be exchanging around a greatest worth of 11 cents, with a base expected cost of $0.092. DOGECOIN price forecast October 2022. The normal cost of DOGECOIN, DOGE, could go to $0.097 toward October's end. DOGE could be exchanging around a greatest worth of 11 cents, with a base expected cost of $0.094. DOGECOIN, DOGE price prediction November 2022. As for November 2022, DOGECOIN cost is conjectured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $0.095. The DOGE cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of 11 cents, with a typical estimate cost of $0.099. DOGECOIN, DOGE price prediction December 2022. As for December 2022, DOGECOIN cost is estimated to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $0.097. The DOGE cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of 12 cents, with a typical estimate cost of 10 cents. DOGECOIN cost and the expression to the moon have become interlaced in the beyond couple of months, with numerous in the cryptographic money space holding out that it can turn into the cash of the web. In any case, the new digital money crash has given us an explanation concerning why that probably won't be accomplished anytime soon. For setting, DOGECOIN has dropped by 6% in the present exchanging meeting. This month, the digital currency has been in a forceful cost drop and has seen a downfall of 31%. Nonetheless, the ongoing negative pattern has not begun in the beyond couple of weeks. Taking a gander at the year-to-date information, DOGECOIN has likewise dropped by 48%. The inquiry is this drop impermanent, or would we say we are anticipating further downfall? Because of the new drop in other cryptographic forms of money, for example, Luna, a few investigators have ready with the hypothesis that DOGECOIN might be straight away. Nonetheless, the above is the most dire outcome imaginable, and other DOGECOIN aficionados, including Elon Musk, have trust in its strength. As of late, Elon Musk has recommended that DOGECOIN can be permitted to be exchanged on Twitter. He has additionally recommended in the past that he would permit exchanges to be done in his organizations utilizing Doge. In this manner, in spite of the new value lows of DOGECOIN, there is as yet a hint of something to look forward to, that it might recuperate going into what's in store. DOGECOIN price prediction. DOGECOIN has not been doing perfect in the beyond couple of days. In the present exchanging meeting, the crypto has lost 6% of its worth. The meeting likewise looks ready to go on with a drop, and there is a high probability of the cost shutting underneath $0.085. Taking a gander at the everyday outline beneath, we can see the costs as of late broke out of the 11-cent support level. Following 7 days of